I believe this is a 1947 Crosley. I think that's a little inline 4-cylinder engine. I could be wrong, might be 3. That's 4-cylinder, I think. It's a pretty clean little car. Be good just like it is, or you could make like a little custom car out of one of these, kind of like a little station wagon. Be pretty neat. Be a heck of a car. You find one of these and put a narrowed rear end in and throw a V8 of some sort, some flavor into. That'd be pretty cool. I probably wouldn't do it to this one because this one's pretty nice and looks like somebody took care of it and everything. I like this 63 Impala rolling by. Not sure if it's an SS or not, but it's pretty clean either way.